Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts the data on a victim's device or network and demands a ransom for its decryption. It is a form of digital extortion that can cause significant damage and disruption to businesses and individuals. Ransomware works by infiltrating a system through various methods, such as phishing emails, compromised websites, or unpatched vulnerabilities. Once inside, it scans for files and folders that are important or valuable to the user, such as documents, photos, videos, or databases. It then encrypts them with a secret key that only the attacker knows and displays a ransom note on the screen. The note typically informs the user that their data has been locked and that they need to pay a certain amount of money, usually in cryptocurrency, to get the key and restore their data. The note may also include a deadline or a threat of deleting or leaking the data if the ransom is not paid. Ransomware is a serious threat that can affect anyone, from individuals to large corporations and government agencies. It can cause financial losses, reputational damage, legal liability, and emotional distress. It can also compromise sensitive or personal information and expose it to hackers or the public. Therefore, it is crucial to protect your data from ransomware attacks and to know how to respond if you become a victim. Ransomware is a malicious software that encrypts your files and demands a ransom to restore them. It can cause serious damage to your data, your business, and your reputation. In this video, we will show you how to respond to a ransomware attack by contacting authorities, isolating infected devices, and seeking professional help. The first thing you should do if you suspect or confirm a ransomware attack is to activate your incident response and business continuity teams. These are the people who will coordinate your actions and communicate with your stakeholders. They will also help you assess the scope of the incident, such as which user accounts, devices, applications, and networks are affected or at risk. The next thing you should do is to contact the appropriate cyber law enforcement authorities as soon as possible. They can provide you with support and guidance, and they can also use the information you provide to investigate and prevent future ransomware attacks. You can contact your local FBI field office or file a report with the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, IC3. Another important step is to isolate the infected devices from the rest of your network. This will prevent the ransomware from spreading to other systems and devices. You can do this by disconnecting them from the internet, disabling remote access, suspending compromised user accounts, and blocking malicious IP addresses and URLs. Finally, you should seek professional help from experts who specialize in ransomware recovery. They can help you remove the malware, restore your data from backups or other sources, and improve your security posture to prevent future attacks. You can find reputable ransomware recovery service providers on the CISA website. Remember, paying the ransom is not recommended, as it does not guarantee that you will get your data back, and it may encourage more ransomware attacks. Instead, follow these steps to respond to a ransomware attack: contact authorities, isolate infected devices, and seek professional help. By doing so, you can minimize the impact of the attack and protect your data from ransomware.